All right, now we are going to add some content to this page here, to our main page. The way I get content is actually not too secretive here, but this is what I do. I go bathroom, remodel, and then I look for a big city. So what you can do is there you go. We look for big cities in the United States. Let's see here. Let's try Houston. I always try to do it a city that's not close to the site that I'm working with. So we'll do Houston. All right, so bathroom remodel, Houston. Then what I do is, these are all local searches. I don't care about these. These I don't even bother messing with. What I do is I look at everything on the first page. This one I know is a directory, so I don't even bother with that one either. I open 5 to 10 different websites, and then I look at their main pages, and I look and see what they have. So with that, I open up Word or any text editor you want to use. Doesn't have to be Word. Alright, let's see what they have here. Let's go under services there. Copy that in. Add that in there. It's actually probably what's going to take the longest out of everything, is just getting that first page to look decent. You could also find some good keywords when you do this. Okay, that's the same page. So you go free consultation. Usually I use free estimate. I like the way free consultation sounds. Let's add it in here somewhere. These are more my notes than anything else. I like the way this sounds. That's about kitchen, so it's not going to help me. Alright, that's alright. I like the way this sounds here. website doesn't want me to copy and paste. Oh, I guess I can still. So since they did that, looks like I'm gonna have to take the whole site now. Let's see here. They tried to block it, I guess it didn't work. Alright, here's a good little list of keywords here for me. Not easy to grab, huh? Let's click on the page. There you go. Let's go up to there. Then I just break down the list. I change the words. I don't leave them the same because I don't really want to steal their content. What I try to do is I try to make it different and unique, so my site is completely different from theirs. I don't want my sites to be anything near theirs. So here's another example of a site. Just kill that video off. There, see, here's another version. On this site I haven't completed it yet. Actually, I have to add pictures on it too. But as you can see, this is basically what I do here. Alright, so what do we call it? Expert bathroom remodel. Expert. Change that. See, I'm taking a little bit of it, I'm rewording some of it, just putting everything together in different ways here. And then this list right here I actually really like. Let's see here, flooring storage. What I'll do is I'll open this one up in Excel. put those in there. Let's see here. And this list I like even more. Alright, let's get rid of that. And then I like this list also. No, I don't want it to look like that. There it is. Alright, so now we have tons of keywords here, tons of keywords and descriptions. Alright, let me figure out how to, there it is. Then what I do is, so I can make my list, so I can make my list completely different from theirs, all I have to do is alphabetize it, change some of the wording around. Alright, this one I don't care about. Already have bathtub, jetted tub. Already have this. Yeah, we don't need all this. Gotta get rid of some stuff that we don't want it to be duplicate of theirs. Some of these are repetitive, so I have to get rid of them. Alright, there you go. We just brought that down from whatever that was down to 50. So we're going to want to add that here. Oh, I don't want that box. So what I'll do is I'll open up Notepad and it'll kill any formatting it has. There it is. Alright, now go here, paste it. There it is. The formatting is gone. And we don't need any of this stuff. I think we have most of the stuff there now. Come on. All right. A little bit of more hype stuff there that companies like seeing. All right, competitive price. Oh, still have more text. Alright, there's some more text there. And there we go. Now we have text for our page. So we grab all the text, copy it, then we paste it into Notepad. We want to get rid of any formatting that is there, because sometimes Word has weird formatting that that doesn't work too well with WordPress. Alright, so we can close this out. We're done with that. Now let's go to our page here. Oh, that's the wrong website. Alright, now get rid of the sample text, and we will, let's see here, is this it? Okay, these are, oh, there's my dryer going off. These are just the keywords that we were using earlier. So now we'll just select all, and we'll paste that in. Now what we're going to do is, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to set up an H1 tag. H1 is a basically an SEO tag. I'm not going to do it here. I'm going to actually do it in a different area because it messes up the way the look. So I'll just add it in here. See how there's this extra line here? And the bad thing is it looks like that inside of it's hard to fix from within WordPress, so you just open up another notepad, and there it is. Yeah, there's the line right there. So we just select all again. Just wanted to get rid of that line. Sometimes those lines are very hard to get rid of, so let's see here. Then we'll repaste that in. Alright. and add a little space here. And this one, we're going to make that into an H1 tag. Is H1. Okay, we'll do that in a few minutes, I guess. Alright, looks like I don't have the TinyMCE Advanced installed. Actually, this is actually a very incomplete site. I haven't even added any of the plugins, so let me just install that real quick. Let's at least show you the difference with when you have TinyMCE Advanced. There it is. Install now. Activate plugin. Alright. Now what we're going to do is, I actually don't want to lose any of this content here, so I'm going to publish it. Let's see what happens here. Alright, there you go. Now we have more options here. So now we want this to be an H1 tag. Of course, it wants to always force itself there, so I guess we will leave that space. H1. Alright. Now we move the font size down to make it look similar to the other ones. Doesn't have to be exact, but we do want this to be an H1 tag. Then we're gonna pick an H2 tag. Let's see, what's a good keyword? Let's try this one. H2. I guess it wants to force me to add them onto the same line. So we do need the spacing to add these tags in. Then we'll resize that down. And then we're going to do an H3 tag. We needed something. There you go, this is bathroom related. H3. Well, there it is for me not adding that spacing. H3. Looks like a decent sized font, but let's put it down to 12. Now, what I like doing is adding bullet points. So I just click this thing here. There it is. Now I have bullet points for all of them. So I'm just going to update the page. I don't want to lose any of the work I've done so far. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to, since this video is getting very long, I'm going to show you how to separate these into columns.